After displaying vintage and classic cars for the last 3 years in this iconic Joggers Park, we are in the fourth year. There are going to be more than 141 participants coming. I want each one of you to come here and witness this great event and see these vintage and classic cars. You will be enjoying the experience of watching them go on the main road, drive down the lanes, drive down iconic highway right up till the harbor. You all have to witness this. I welcome all of you to this event on the 19th of December at 11 o'clock.
Vintage and Vehicle Classic Club. I, Gautam Pai Kakode, President of this club, invites all the participants who are owning the vintage and classic car to come in large numbers with their cars, with their family and friends on this Joggers Park, Chikalim. Minister for Transport also, with his support this is possible, and he is the main person behind this to take the event ahead with the help of all the trustees of our club, including Mr. Krishnanand Kamath. We call him as Babu Kamath. We are 5-6 trustees. Mr. Brian Suarez, he is architect. He is also owning some cars. Mr. Srinivas Dempo, industrialist, he is also owning some cars. He is also one of the trustee. Our mentor, Mr. Marvin Godino, with his advice, we are organizing this. I request, including Vaibhav Tamba, Mr. Advocate Ninath Kamath, and Varun Albuquerque, Srimati Rupa Deshprabhu, all are our trustees. With their support, this is possible to organize this event. I once again call all the participants, friends, relatives, members to come in large numbers and make this event a great success.
As we complete 63 years of Goa's liberation, as part of this great celebration, we have a vintage and classic vehicle club owners in association with Department of Transport is organizing a vintage and classic car rally. I invite every Goan, especially those who are having old cars, which are vintage cars, classic cars, come and join us. I welcome all of you, I beckon all of you, as well as those from the rest of the country. If you have this type of cars, I think there is a need that people see your cars, see your passion for maintaining these cars, and all that is associated with this. I will be happy if all of you join us in the Liberation Day celebration. It would be really great. I would like to welcome you to Goa on 19th of December. So hope to see you soon.
po येतात GNH.